Chapter 6, Section 1 requires the multiplication of powers, and there are three different ways to do that. The first way is the product of powers, which is a times a to the power of n, which equals a plus n. The second way is the power of powers. And the third is the power of product, which goes like this. The first one, the product of powers, is when you have a number with a power multiplied by the same number and a different power. And that means you just have to add the powers up and then get the number to that power. So say we have 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 4. And then we just have 2 to the power of 6. Now you could just plug that into your calculator. 2 caret thing 6. But I was supposed to teach you how to do it without your calculator. So there's really only one way to do that. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4, 8, 16, 32, and then 64. So then we have, that answer is, that answer is 64. The second one, the power of powers, is a m n equals a n. That's when you have one number to the power of something, and then in parentheses to the power of another thing. So say we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 4. And then we just have 2 to the power of 8. Which we have, so then we have 64, which is 2 to the power of 6, and 2 more 2's. 64 times 2 is 128, and then 256. The last one, power of product, is a, b, m, is a, m, b, m. That just means if you have two numbers multiplied by each other, and then a power on the outside, you just put the power to both of those numbers. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and times 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. And that would be your answer. The last thing is when you have negative powers. So if you have 2 to the power of negative 4, it's actually pretty simple. Since everything is over 1 automatically, you just have to switch it to get it to be positive. So then we have 16 over 1. That would be your answer for this one. So 3 to the power of negative 2 would just be 1/9.